Hi and welcome to Richer in Crypto. My name is Rogier and I'm going to give you 30,000 reasons why you should try Decentraland in the short term. And that means between May 2nd and May 4th. Because YouHodler is organizing a competition where you can win $30,000 worth of mana if you can successfully complete and finish the fastest one, you will receive $30,000 worth of mana. Personally, I'm invested in Decentraland just a little bit. I've put in $1,000 of mana, the token of Decentraland, a while back. It's worth a little bit less now, and I've never played the game yet. And one of the competitors is Sandbox, which is also very successful and maybe even bigger than Decentraland. But in Decentraland, it's very interesting to see in 2022 how our new virtual gaming where you can buy land, where you can buy NFTs, where you can do games, you can play at the casino, you can do all kinds of things. And of course, you can buy stuff with mana, the local currency, and also earn money while playing the game. So for me, it's a perfect way to discover the game, play the game, and I will also record myself playing the game and I will share my personal results with you. And my expectations are not that I'm going to make the $30,000 in mana, because if I play these kinds of games, I'm usually way too slow. There are a lot of people way much more faster. I'm not sure if you recognize it, but if I play at the PlayStation and I do a shooter, I'm usually always the slowest in first-person shooters, so I always die one of the fastest. So I expect that a lot of people will do it faster, but it's fun anyway. It's free to play, so it's a great way to get introduced into Decentraland, to get to know the platform better, know where you might have invested in, or maybe you want to invest in these kind of games and these kind of tokens, then you should definitely do that. So this is how it works. If you want to play the game organized by YouHodler, and YouHodler, if you haven't heard of YouHodler yet, I've made a couple of videos about YouHodler. YouHodler is a Swiss company where you can earn interest on your crypto. It's a lending platform, and you can also trade on their platform where you can get up to 12.3% APY on US dollar Tether. And if you use other stablecoins such as US dollar coin, it's 12% APY a year and you get it credited every week. So it's a great way for profits from crypto stored in stablecoins, for example, and you can get nice interest on it. But you can also put other different kinds of crypto in your wallet and earn crypto. Well, so you can win $30,000 in mana, a unique NFT, and a branded merchandise. So that's what you can win. How do you participate? Well, of course, you need an account with YouHodler because they organize the game. So if you want to have clearance, you want to go into the building to solve the puzzles, you need an account. If you don't have an account, don't have a YouHodler account, it's free and you can use my link down below in the pinned comment or in the description of this video to create an account. And also you will help the channel with that, so it would be much appreciated if you use my link. So once you're registered, of course, you have to register in the treasure hunt at the bottom of this page. The link to this page over here, I will also add it to the pinned comment. So there will be two links. One is for registration for an account. And the second one is the link directly to this page so you can register for the game. Okay, very important. So you type here in your email address, and then you will get an email from YouHodler on May 2nd with the coordinates of our building in Decentraland and a secret access code to unlock the entrance. The fourth step, you have to go through all 3 rooms with riddles to completing the tasks of the game. Insert all the answers and your account ID on the final stage. So it's a free tip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have a piece of paper next to my laptop, and I will write down my answers. So at the final stage, I have no idea what it looks like, but I can imagine if you have to type in all the answers, and maybe you can record it in your mind, I don't know. But I think it's easy and smart to write it down, so once you have to enter it, you won't make any mistakes, because you have to be the fastest one, but of course your answers need to be correct in order to win. So insert all the answers and your account ID on the final stage. So don't mistype, just take a second, do that correctly. Complete the hunt and wait for the results at the end of the day. The winner of the hunt is the user who will complete the task correct and the fastest from entering the building to the final stage. Now, blah, 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 blah. YouHodler Treasure Hunt will reset each day, bringing new opportunities to win grand prizes each day. To keep it interesting, each treasure hunt day will have a slightly different task. Plus, we have a special NFT prize at the end of the promo for the most active user on Twitter. That's something that we need to remember. I'll go to the FAQ because you want to know more details about how this works. So who wins the treasure hunt? It will be the person who will finish all the tasks the fastest, from opening the building door to submitting all the information on the last task in room number 3. So it's not the first, but the fastest, because you and me can both start at the same time, and maybe your time is faster than my time, and then you will be higher than me in the ranking. That's how it works. When does the time counting start? At the moment you enter the first code and open the entrance of the building. When does the counting stop? When you finish the last task of the treasure hunt in room number 3. As soon as you will find it, you will understand that it's the end. Okay? Winner announcement. It's 24 hours. Within 24 hours of closure of the building. For security purposes, we will contact the winner directly via official channels, emails, or social media accounts. The winner will have a 7-day time to finalize requirements to receive the prize. How will the prize be distributed? Okay, to the YouHodler account. So of course, you need a YouHodler account, and then you can receive mana. It's very easy to add mana to your account. And if you want to know more about that, I made a tutorial about how YouHodler works and how you can create an account and put crypto on it. So if you want, you should watch that video. Are there any prerequisites for participants? Yeah, you have to have an account, and you need an account number. You should have a Twitter account. We may ask you to do something on Twitter as a part of the task during the hunt. If you don't have a Twitter account, maybe it's time, if you want to play this game, maybe you should just create a Twitter account so you can use it for the game. And after the game, you just maybe don't need it anymore. Or maybe you're thinking like, well, since Elon Musk bought Twitter, maybe I should go on Twitter. So think about your username. When does the time counting start? Okay. The conditions to win. You have to have a verified identity. So you have to verify your identity. That process needs to be done for 100%. So that means passport, driver's license, optional. You need to have verified your address. So make sure in your account your verification is 100%. You can check your progress in your profile within YouHodler. So make sure that you completed it, because if you are the first one or the fastest one, and you might win $30,000 worth of mana, but you haven't successfully completed your identity verification, you will not win. Okay, that will be a waste. The winner of each day must go through a full Decentraland treasure hunt experience to fill out the details in the final page. And each participant will have the possibility to claim the wearable, but to keep it, the users will have to participate logged in via their MetaMask wallet. So if you don't have a MetaMask wallet, which is a software wallet, maybe it's time to configure one. A MetaMask wallet is also very useful if you want to swap, trade, participate in pooling, liquidity provider. You need a MetaMask wallet. So if you don't have one, put it on your to-do list. It's you need one in the world of crypto. Eventually you will need a MetaMask wallet. But the MetaMask wallet is not mandatory, okay? If you don't have one, don't panic. You can still play the game. Just register to YouHodler, create an account. Make sure that you put in your email address at the page that I've put in my description of this video or in the pinned comment below the video. Click start the hunt and you'll receive an email with all the information. Once the game is finished and I will record myself playing the game, I'm looking forward to introducing myself in the world of Decentraland, because I've never played there. I'm invested a little bit, so I want to know what it looks like, what it feels like, what's the potential, does it look like something that could grow further? And thus, I'm not planning to sell my mana anyway, but I'm really looking forward to the experience. I wonder if you have any experience in playing Decentraland. Let me know down below in the comments. Also, let me know if you're going to participate in this quest from YouHodler. If you already have an account, then you just register to participate on the hunt. So it's between May 2nd and May 4th. So there are a couple of days where we can win prizes. And I wish you all the best of luck. I'm not expecting to win any mana myself, but it's going to be a fun experience to learn about Decentraland, which is also very valuable. The knowledge that you gain by playing the game, understanding the world of Decentraland and how it's built, what kind of value you can find there. Because of course, if a lot of people play Decentraland, use Decentraland, even if it grows, of course the token of mana will also rise in the future and be worth more than it is today. So make sure about getting more knowledge about that. So I want to thank you for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to Richer in Crypto, don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.